So, firstly, thank you very much, your loving principal, Revati mom, her entire team of William Mary College, governed by Dr. Philomena and Miss Chinamma. I'm very delighted. I was telling to Murli, he didn't leave anything for me to speak. Am I right? I never know. Anyhow, I'll try to engage you for the next maybe around 40 minutes or so. So, all of you are in the first year or second year? Summer concept? First year. Why we are here, all of us today? Okay, so we are talking about plastics, alright? And you've been sitting for more than 2 hours, 1.5 hours without moving in your seats. So, 2 hours already. Okay, you're sitting before we came. Alright. I'll give you a simple exercise. So, you know plastic. What is plastic? So, raise your hand if someone thinks plastic is good for us. Anyone who thinks plastic is good for us? Anyone? Even from the faculty? No one? Are you sure? Plastic is not at all good. No, that will come to later. That will come to that later on. So, all of you feel plastic is not at all good for us. Am I right? Say aloud. Okay. Then, how many of you are able to live without plastic? How many of you have something related to plastic on your body? Can someone raise that I don't have any plastic on my body? Tell me, anyone? Okay, tell me how many of you say plastic is so bad? I'm serious, my girls. This is only to engage you. Your principal has already told, ma'am has already told in her initial address, it's not the classroom lectures what you're hearing. You also have to know what's happening around the world, right? So be interactive. Try to use this a small time. As I was telling ma'am, I always find it very, very interesting to speak before the students. They are speaking in international platforms. I spoke in several international platforms, including UN. What is UN? United Nations, UNICEF, UNIDO. All the affiliated organizations I spoke. But I derive more pleasure in talking to the beloved students like you. So, tell me who thinks plastic is good and bad also? Ma'am, it's very difficult. Your people are not interactive. You have to tell. I think they are not listening to me. Who thinks plastic is good and bad as well? If anyone thinks like that? So, I know it's bad, someone said. Who thinks plastic is good and bad also? No response. Come on, girls. You are VMCites. Okay, rise, stand up, please. You have to have some exercise, don't worry. Okay, you said plastic is good and bad also. What's your name? Puspira. Give a big round of applause to her. I think one girl raised from her seat to say her feelings. So you say plastic is good and bad also, right? Sit down. Anyone else? Rise. Tell your name. You don't have another mic? Or a mic? Okay. So you also think plastic is good and bad also. Alright, okay. I don't trouble you much, but my dear girls, believe you me, plastic is as much good and as much bad also for us. So it's all like Ms. Murli told, how we really utilize it in our daily uses and how you manage the waste. So everything revolves around that.
We discard 5 kilograms of plastic, paper, and other disposables every second. 300 kilograms every minute, and 19,000 kilograms every hour. The problem will only get bigger and bigger and bigger. The question is, who's going to face it?
You have seen the first video. It's our neighboring state, Tamil Nadu. Some foolish sarpanch, the village sarpanch, has organized the literally dumping of the plastic waste into a lively river. Can you imagine that? And constantly, he was doing it constantly. So people are fearless. Like he said, there is no punishment for such people. And we are a part of it. We are allowing it to happen, right? And believe me, it's not only in India. In developed countries also we see that. We all think that it doesn't happen in the United States, it doesn't happen in Europe. Man is man everywhere, woman is woman everywhere. The human beings are always same. A little bit intensity changes. Alright? Never think that we are only bad people. I have toured around 50 countries, everywhere it's the same problem. The only thing is some things are hidden, some things are not popping out of the social media. So, we are the culprits. And the second video was in Bali. They were symbolically arranging. And all the plastic wastes was formed into form of snakes. And if it is not properly utilized, the snakes will bite you. The third one is self-explanatory, right? And you are forgetting plastic only is the waste. Nothing else is the waste in the world. Plastic only is the culprit. Look at that. 40 million tons of electronic waste every year. Do you know that? How many of you are throwing your used laptops or used mobile phones responsibly? Recycling it responsibly? We just simply throw in the dustbin. And we never know where they are going, right? This is what happens. And we are talking about only plastic. Do you know what is the food loss is happening around the world? 1/3 of the food produced for human consumption is either lost or wasted globally. And despite sufficient world production, 1 in 7 people are starving, not only in India, several countries. And we have sufficient resources. And because of the food waste, and don't ask me about the environmental impact. The carbon dioxide, water, land, biodiversity, the loss to the society, loss to the nation. So, nobody is talking about that. And we are talking about plastic waste. Without plastic, even this would not have been possible. To bring the product from the farm to your fork, from the farm to your plate in the dining room. Imagine for a while, there is no plastic in the world at all. It's hard to believe. Almost half of all fruits and vegetables produced are wasted. And wasting food means wasting the money, wasting labor, resources. 263 million tons of meat produced globally. More than 20% is wasted. Eliminating global food waste would save 4.4 million tons of carbon dioxide also. Right? And we are only seeing the other side. We are not seeing the environmental impact too. Waste means waste, plastic waste everywhere. And no one is considering the food waste also. And some facts about your plastic. We are talking plastic is bad. I too say, because I started my presentation with a video which projects your plastic in a very bad shape. Why did I? Well, if you don't use the plastic in the right way, it is going to eat you. It is going to eat your environment. For next generations, we are not leaving anything at all. Similarly, imagine today, you all have electricity, nicely the air conditioners are working, fans are working. How they work? How the appliances work, my dear friends? Electricity, right? How the electricity, the current flows? Through metal wires. Can you imagine? You can have bare metal wire carrying the current without insulation over top of it. Just imagine. And that is properly sheathed by what? Just imagine there is no plastic. And you can't sit in this room. And there is no water in your house. There is no water in your toilets. So that is a fact. And you people are forgetting that. Look, if you talk about plastic is protective, extends shelf life, reduces food waste, can be broken down to different parts. And plastic is the one which can be molded into any number of shapes. Hygiene, easy to clean, use fewer resources than any other thing when you compare to other material. And it is strong and light too. So the problem is, look at the left side and the right side. It's not me, believe me. It's the plastic. So plastic is not the culprit. And the black sheep, read out. Is it visible? Plastic pollution. That's the black sheep. The green one is always good for the society. And we are forgetting the benefits of the green, and we are only focusing on the pollution, the black sheep. And because it is visible, all the plastic is thrown around in the streets, oceans, everywhere. We are talking about that so bad. Ban plastic. ठीक है, ban करेंगे. मैं वादा करता हूँ. The jacket what I am wearing, the dresses what you are wearing, even if they say 100% cotton, don't believe that. It contains at least 10 to 90% of the plastic. So now imagine, you don't use plastic at all from tomorrow onwards, right? And you don't brush your teeth with a plastic brush, and don't take medicines from a plastic powder, and don't take food. Let's do that. Let's try to live that sometime. Well, this is the same thing. The packaging and the packaging waste. So both are different. The product, it safeguards all the products with the packaging. But the waste, like Ms. Murli told, how we manage it. So everything depends on that. Why do you use plastic for packaging? Right? Safe, yes, hygiene, lightweight, durable, secure, versatile, a lot of variety, recyclable, and it can be recyclable a number of times. This is one symbolically somebody has put all the used PET bottles as a cover of PET bottle. So packaging helps save food. This is very important for all of you, my dear beloved girls. Please take a note. You can also Google my name. My works are there in several platforms. You can also see the videos if you want. Food loss in developing countries tend to occur during post-harvest processing and storage, while in developed countries, food waste tends to occur after food is. People just waste food on the dining table. So, as I told you just a little before, if you cater to all these problems, if you address these issues, there will be no one starving on this earth. Circular economy, it used to be one of those days. Make waste. You can do whatever you want. That's a passing. Believe you me. Even in your daily life, unless it goes wrong, like the way the entire cycle goes wrong, you have to follow the circular economy. So, the take, make, dispose, that's a linear curve, taking the shape of the circular. So that ultimately, you're all commerce students. It helps the nation. It helps build the economy. Believe me, the waste recovery is going to be one of the top industries in the world. You all might be thinking waste recovery, what waste recovery? You know, one of the Indian companies have signed a memorandum to set up a company in Canada, it's known to me, 2,500 crores worth of waste recovery. That size of the business, right? So let's ask the same question. Just now we asked. तो प्लास्टिक की जरूरत नहीं है. चलो कल से दवाई मत लो. कुछ भी होने दो, दवाई मत लो. क्योंकि प्लास्टिक से ही आ रहे हैं. And वैक्सीन मत लो. और सिरंज यूज मत कर लो. ठीक है, मरते मरेंगे कोरोना से. है ना? चलो. Just imagine my friends. Exactly. Today we are in March. Honorable Prime Minister announced the curfew on March 24th. It's almost 1 year. Since then, just imagine if you don't have the mask, if you don't have the face guard, and if you don't have the hand wash, and the entire world, just imagine they are not at all using this. How many more millions and millions of cases would have arisen on horizon? How many more people would have died? It's just unimaginable. You can't imagine that. Just imagine. So, plastic. These are plastic. Well, these are the egg containers people are using like Lego toys. There are ways to do the recycling also to entertain your kids. So why I gave that? Because you all, I liked what Murli said initially. तेलुगु में बोल रहे थे, हम क्लासरूम में आके सिर्फ पढ़ाई ले रहे, ज्ञान नहीं ले रहे. चదువు నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం, బుద్ధి నేర్చుకోవట్లేదు. So बचपन में हमको बोलते थे, थोड़ा सा ज्ञान भी ले, पढ़ाई तो लेंगे. And then make it more in the center. This is an innovation, small innovation. The vada batter, the flexible portion with a spout. All is pre-mixed. You simply need to open it and twist it. And the vada comes with a hole in it. You don't need to put a hole again. Anyhow, that's a simple innovation. How it is. Self-dose patient controlled injector. There is no need. Imagine post-pandemic, how many of us are really going to see a doctor, even for a small thing? पहले हम जाते थे, हर छोटी छोटी चीज के डॉक्टर के पास जाते. अरे मेरे को इधर दर्द है, यहाँ स्क्रैच है, ये गए हो गए. कितने लोग अभी जा रहे हैं? डर के नहीं जा रहे ना. हम फोन पे बात करते हैं. And remote diagnostics are possible. Advanced diagnostics are possible with a video call with a practiced medicine. And you can choose your own physician online. That's an advantage. The same way, they will also give you administer your own medicine. So here comes the plastic innovation. You don't need to worry. Simply just place it, it injects. And it doesn't have years. After that, we will begin only. Well, प्लास्टिक मेरा बचपन में दूध का वेस्टेज इतना ज्यादा होते थे, आप पूछिए मत। अभी 40 साल के बाद, and now we don't talk about the waste of milk, thanks to packaging revolution. And today you can have your milk without even storing in a refrigerator for 6 months, thanks to the advanced technology. It's a part of plastic also. It's a composite material. The same thing you're talking about, inject by yourself, you don't need to. And then, बहुत बार आप सोचते होंगे, जब दर्द होते, you take a little balm in your hand and apply it and spoil all your hands, right? And this innovation from GlaxoSmithKline is simply they apply it, and once you pull it back, it goes back. You don't need to spoil your hands at all with that smelling balm, pain balm. How was that? This is another innovation.
Plastic warriors, please listen to me carefully. Plastic is a miraculous material. It's one of the most fantastic materials that human beings have created. The problem is not of plastic. The problem is of human irresponsibility. So that's what we need to fix. If we generate a more responsible population, plastic is a wonderful thing. How many things in our lives have become easy and wonderful because of plastics? But we think plastics are bad. Plastic.
हम बोलने से नहीं सुन रहे ना, कम से कम सदगुरु बोलने से सुनते हैं ये वीडियो लाया मैं आपके लिए। Sustainability we are talking about, and now the bad things of sustainability and consume, like all of you just now you said, and it's good. I don't blame you at all because you all have a peer pressure also. कोई लोग उठ के प्लास्टिक अच्छा है बोलने से, there are at least some 10-15 people who ask you to sit down. What nonsense you're talking? So that's the peer pressure. You're all under the peer pressure. So what to do? What is the roadmap ahead? So we need to have a sustainable approach. Environmental consciousness. And a survey said, if a product is sold with some 10-20% extra price, and if they say the product is packaged with a sustainable material, and still you're all going to buy it. So that is a mental awareness people are having. So as I told, the most sustainable packaging is what? The last benches cannot see the second line. No packaging. Let's not have any packaging in the society, and let's see what's going to happen from tomorrow. I also wish I don't have a packaging. Adam and Eve never had any packaging. Can you imagine Adam and Eve moving around in our society today? It's not possible. Right? But at the same time, हम बचपन में जो भी करते थे, we used to take a bag or a container, and then we used to take the pulses, oil, whatnot, all the groceries, collect it without packaging. So this is on the rise worldwide. But at the same time, that has a limitation also. You cannot have everything come out like this, openly, because they have a very less shelf life if they are openly kept like in bins like that. So plastic is anyhow essential in some other part. The sustainability conundrum. Everyone says, which one should I choose? Paper bag or recycled plastic bag? A can of juice, a carton of juice. Which is better for the environment? A paper cup or a glass which can be washed? So everything has its pros and cons. When you use a glass of water with a glass tumbler, and we think that we are doing a great benefit by not using plastic. Yes, in a way. But do you know the same glass tumbler has to be washed? And And for washing, you waste another half a liter of it. And when you go on the life cycle analysis, LCA, you go back and see what is LCA and study. This all will be useful for your practical purposes in the future. So you will understand, is it real? So every material has an existence in the world. At World Packaging Organization, we are material neutral. While we are condemning the negative effects of plastic on the society, we are very neutral to all the material, because every material has a meaning for its existence. It's for us how to utilize them. So worldwide, and this is all useful for you. In your project work also, you can mention what's happening around the world. Several brands are setting up the clothes. 2025, 2030. Plastic replacement in totality to recycled content, recyclable packaging, responsible fiber sourcing, design for recovery, increased recycling. And you see the who is who, all the brands on the horizon. Well, what did Albert Einstein say? The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Even the former president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, also used to say to all the students, I had the privilege of interacting with him at least 2 to 3 times, dining with him. I was so lucky. And such a statesman he was. He always used to tell the students, dream high, dream big. The dreams must be unrealistic, maybe unrealistic. But tomorrow all those unrealistic and fiction stories will become true. That history has proved us. And this is what the negative effects of the plastic around all over the world. Let's change the old ways. The greatest threat to our planet is a belief that someone is going to do for you. The change has to start with you. He asked how many people will judiciously dispose the plastic used at home. I'm not using many times. I keep on preaching to my people at the factory, at home. But हम कुछ भी नहीं करते, फिर सबको बोल देते, अरे आप पूरा खराब कर रहे हैं, अरे पहले आप घर से चालू करो ना. So we don't need magic to change the world. We carry all the power. We need inside within ourselves. Already, but we have the power. Ban single-use plastic. Think again. Not all the plastics can be banned. In the daily usage, you just imagine, jot down all the plastics you are using. How many of them you can really throw? So, environmental consciousness. This is the same thing which we are talking about. And internationally, the commitments, we can look. Later on, you can go to the websites and note down Nestle, Unilever, Emco, L'Oreal, all the big names, Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, Walmart, all these companies, what are all they are doing for the sustainability of the society. 100% reusable, recyclable, or compostable. And this is the commitment given by all the big brands by 2025. At least companies part, they are trying to do their bit. All these objectives, initiatives from the global corporations. Coca-Cola stated by 2030 it will collect and recycle 1 bottle or 1 can for each one itself. So that completes the cycle. So don't leave anything. They don't get anything from the oil. They only recycle everything what they are producing. Similarly, all other big companies. So the way forward. So this is a question to you. Does anyone else feel like you could do better? I'm not going to trouble you today, my dear girls. So you must go home and think of yourself and can we do better? Yes, you can. You don't need to tell me. Awareness among people. Barrier coatings are also coming up with a sustained shelf life. Even the medicines, what you are using, all the blisters and all, the sustainable packaging material R&D is going on. And recycle all the single-use plastic, whatever you, and many ice cream cups, everything. And a lot of plant-based packaging is coming up in the world. And plastic to fuel, all the plastics, some of them can be converted back into the fuel. Well, solution to plastic packaging waste disposal problem. Like he said, the segregation at source, systems, incentives, everything. हम अकेले नहीं कर पाएंगे. We need to have the state support, NGO support, society. Wish list. The government thinks reduction in littered plastic, reduction in carbon footprint, recyclability. Industry. Functional property is retained because you need to have that. You cannot have a product which will fail in the market. No significant upcharge just because you are changing the packaging. Use of existing infrastructure and the consumer, we all of us. We should protect the packaging contents and environmental friendly and neutral. Another two sides.
You can use this polyester for all types of applications. Today, we are supplying this product not only for sportswear, but for outerwear, for home textiles, for ladies apparel.
I think there is a problem in this. So, what we are seeing in the previous video, even though it was not played, one of the world's largest recycled plastic fiber. So, all the garments you are wearing are made from the plastic collected from the waste. So, one of the world's largest factories set up by Reliance. So, these things are also happening. So, my submission to all of you, my dear friends, initially you all said plastic bad. And no one is brave enough to say, yes, plastic is also good. I do not know how many of you change your mind after this presentation. I'm not forcing you to do that. I'm only asking you to think wisely, go back to your homes, make some exercise, and do you know, out of this you can become entrepreneur also. There are several ways of becoming entrepreneurs in this life. So eventually, the packaging is not a problem for the sustainability. It's actually one of the solutions. And at World Packaging Organization, we believe better quality of life through better packaging for more people, for all of us. And thank you very much for this opportunity, BMC, and all of you, my loving ones.